Ever wonder how complex our brain works? Isn't it fascinating? Like a maze? Are you looking for a medical specialization where patient contacts and clinical examination is the base of your work? Just as you're working your mind to think about these questions, why not expand your scope in medicine? Swiss Association of Young Neurologists. We support and help aspiring young physicians and medical students like you, offering opportunities in clinical neurology within the residency, scientific research, and on their career path, like establishing private practices. So why SAYN, right? Well, the Swiss Association of Young Neurologists is a subsidiary to the Swiss Neurological Society. We are a non-profit organization. The purpose of our association is to support young neurologists by improving neurology training and offer various opportunities in the broad and rapidly evolving field of neurology. We use our nationwide and international network to help advance in neurology and neuroscience by bringing together scientists and clinicians of various backgrounds and by facilitating the integration of research. Our mission is for the noble cause of medical research and education in neurology. Educate and promote future generations of neurologists and neuroscientists. Join us, get in touch, and become a prestigious member. Join now to avail benefits of reduced board exam fee, along with other courses and a supported transition to SNS regular membership. What more could you ask for? Join now